How to delete YouTube Shorts history. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, move into your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to You at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. It'll open up the settings. Once you're inside the settings, now what you want to do is click on Manage All History. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on the specific page. Now if you scroll down, it will show you all the shorts that you have viewed. If you want to delete them, all you want to do is click on this cross icon. Click on all the history that you want to delete. And there you go, you can see that the source history has been cleared. So that's the wrap for the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.